Hey guys, Arvaz here, and I'm gonna quickly showcase this 2D top-down RPG game project that I did called Zone of Malice. It's written in C# and uses the Unity game engine. I followed this 8-hour tutorial by Epitome on YouTube, and it took me like 13 days to code and design this. It's got several features like player movement, combat, with the ability to level up after gaining enough XP. It includes interactables like chests and healing fountains for getting currency and health. You can upgrade weapons, which will increase their damage and knockback, and you can change the player's skin. There are 2 levels with various rooms and enemies placed about. There are a couple of NPCs that return dialogue, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. Links are in the description for the tutorial I used and my GitHub coding repository. I imported this custom font I made with Bitfont Maker 2 called New Technical, and it seems to fit alright in this dungeon environment. I customized some rooms to show a little story, like the confident looter with the chests by his side, and the shady wizard in the corridor as a test of strength for the final boss. Leveling up heals the player to maximum health, which is a little generous, but healing fountains are still useful when taking big damage and as leveling up gets tougher. There aren't any sound effects or music, and the game plays in full screen automatically, but I thought a menu would pop up to change quality and screen resolution, but it doesn't seem to. Also, my respawn mechanic is bugged as the menu goes away, but the character doesn't respawn and could still attack. So now that's some revenge from the grave.